time to go to Mexico. You ready to go to Mexico? Good morning, let's go.
We are the Dempsey family. Noelle,
Jeremiah,
and our newest addition, Lola. We're an ordinary family that loves to go on adventures. Whether we're near or far, we are passionate about documenting our journey and sharing our experiences. Subscribe and welcome to our story.
Woo!
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. We spent a few days with family in California and we are so thankful for the time we spent there, but now we are ready for the big vacation. We're ready to go to Mexico. We're gonna trade this rain here in California for some heat in Mexico.
Look at the airplane. Look at the airplane. Look at the big airplane.
So here we are cruising around the airport, and it's quite busy. So much room for activities.
Okay, we are a three of 8 passengers going to Cabo from LA here, so let's get on the plane and head to Mexico. Let's go, L-E-T-S-C-O.
We just arrived in Cabo.
Yay, Cabo! Lola, look at Daddy.
Lola,
Over here.
Lola, Cabo, Cabo.
Cabo. Yay!
Cabo, Cabo.
Woohoo!
We made it! Woo!
Yay! We made it to
Mexico! Woo!
Ready for vacation!
Good morning.
Good morning. We're looking at the pretty pink sky, the sun come up. Say it's beautiful, just like me. We're having so much fun on vacation!
Hi!
Are you having fun? Yeah!
I'm bubble! Hi!
Hi, guys! Hi!
Say hi, Mama!
Hi!
Are you coming in the pool?
You having fun? Hi, Lola! Hi! Are you having fun on vacation? Are you having fun on vacation?
We just got to the marina. We're about to go sailing. Here's the crew. Silando! We got Sulando. We got the baby Lola and Mama.
Here we go!
Welcome, family. Welcome. Thank you, thank you.
That's the
Oh,
crew.
is this it?
Yeah, that's the Liberty.
Awesome.
Welcome to the jungle.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Come and take videos. Lola!
Sailing!
Woo!
Say hi, Daddy!
Hi, Lola!
Hi!
You got your sailing hat on?
Yeah, we're sailing today!
Wow!
Woo!
Are you having fun?
Woo, woo, woo! Say hi, Daddy!
Hi, Lola!